Did you know a parent's heart breaks, not when their child leaves home, but when they no longer need their voice to fall asleep? For 15 years, Sarah sang the same lullaby every single night. Through colic and teething, nightmares and thunderstorms, her gentle melody could cure any fear. She knew every word by heart, felt the weight of sleepy limbs against her chest, watched tiny eyelids flutter close to her voice. It was their sacred ritual, the one constant through chaos. Last Tuesday, she stood in her teenager's doorway and started humming the familiar tune. Her daughter looked up from her phone, confused and slightly embarrassed. Sarah caught herself mid-note and quietly backed away. That night, she sat alone in her bedroom and sang the lullaby to empty air. Her voice cracked on the second verse as she realized the truth. Her most essential job was over. She closed her mouth mid-song and accepted the silence of successful parenting.